yung banana cake. Kaya lang hindi masyado maganda yung pagkaluto. Pero okay lang. Pwede nang pagtiyagaan. Alhamdulillah for another day. So we make again another recipe. So these are all the ingredients. Sifted or strained all-purpose flour, 2 cups. And this is fresh buffalo milk. I already boiled this one. So if you have evaporated milk, commercial, you can use. But I don't have available. So I have extra fresh buffalo milk. And egg, 1 egg. If you want to put more, 2, it's okay. But 1 is enough. And 1/2 cup of sugar, pinch of salt, baking powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and I will put also drops of vanilla syrup, and 5 tablespoon of cooking oil. So I'm going to put all these ingredients. Milk, I have to put only this 1/2 cup or 1 cup. Tansya-tansya lang. And then sugar and pinch of salt and baking powder, cocoa powder, and cooking oil. I will not put all this one. And drops of vanilla syrup. And this banana, after I will do something for this one. Now we have to mix all these ingredients. I already mix well. Ito yung ano niya, texture niya. Ayan. I-leave ko muna ito ng 30 minutes kasi busy pa ako. Mamaya ko na ituloy yung bananas, yung 3 bananas ay i-slice ko ito. Tapos i-half fry ko sa sa pan. So hintayin niyo na lang kung ano yung gagawin ko dito. So cover natin. Ito na yung 3 bananas. Ganito yung pag-slice ko. So mainit na itong mantika. If you have butter, then much better. But I don't have butter, so I use cooking oil. You can use any kind of cooking oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, olive oil, or etc. Ayan. Ayan, may mantika o konti. Hindi yata kasya itong 3 banana. Dapat lahat ito, puno lahat itong pan. Ayan, okay na yan. Dapat puno ito occupy lahat ito. Pero okay na yan, pwede na yan. Tapos ibaliktad na natin baliktad natin lahat. Nabaliktad ko na. So, lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon na sugar. Scatter natin. Wait! So, ibuhos na natin itong na mix kong butter ng flour, eggs, oil, sugar. Ano pa yung nilagay ko dito. I-scatter natin lahat. Nilipat ko na dito sa chimney sa pugon. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Hindi pa luto. Basa pa o. Ayan, tikman natin. Kahit hindi maganda yung pagka luto, pero masarap. Ayan o. Kain tayo. Masarap. Sarap ang kape.